Not 3 years.
Just. How long were you that there for?
I don't know.
So you don't know a month, a year, 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, roughly? You can't tell.
I can't tell. No, it wasn't up to a year. I left Nigeria.
Okay, it was not to a year. Okay.
It wasn't up to a year.
Okay, it was not even up to a year. Okay. That's what I wanted to know.
Like a month, and then we traveled.
To Lagos? To where?
We left Nigeria.
Okay, you left Nigeria. To where?
I do not remember that part of the conversation.
Okay.
And then I came back.
To Nigeria?
To Lagos, yeah.
You don't like to ask questions about your childhood?
I don't care.
They didn't bother to tell you?
A lot of components. I didn't really see my mom or my dad growing up.
Okay.
So
I didn't ask your grandma?
Not really. We're not that cool. Maybe Ash is my granny, but no.
Okay. Cool. That's why you didn't say you didn't suck breast long.
Yeah, I didn't. My mom left Nigeria.
But you didn't even have?
I didn't give my parents at all.
Wow.
I lived with my granny.
Throughout. Till what age?
Till I ran away. I was 17.
So you live with your granny till you're 17? Oh. Man. So how was it like living with your granny?
Dramatic.
Dramatic.
Traumatic.
Dramatic.
Traumatic.
Oh, Sorry. Really?